So now the plan is to explore different genres and do a little more mature roles. अगर मेरा एक दिन शूट नहीं होता था तो मैं पूरा दिन वेट करती थी होटल में कि कब आएंगे घर आके मुझे एंटरटेन करेंगे, शूट भी करेंगे, पैसा भी कमा के आएंगे, तो मुझे भी एंटरटेन करेंगे, तो ऐसा पूरा दिन मैं वेट करती थी उनका. अभी हम तारुक की बात करें, तारुक ऐसे गया और फिर ऐसे छुप के वापस आ गया. All my scenes with Taruk, and I find like really, I won't reveal too much, but there's a very
कुछ थोड़ा सा I want to know, I'm excited.
बहुत ऐसा kissing scene.
Hi, this is Anna and you're watching me on Movie Fight. आज की जो हमारे गेस्ट है उनका सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर है काफी झकास. Let's welcome एहसास.
अरे वाह, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड.
थैंक यू.
आपकी शायरी बड़ी बढ़िया है.
शुक्रिया. पर आपका सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर बढ़िया है.
Thank you.
First of all, how have you been?
I'm good. I'm very happy. I've been busy. That is why I'm happy. So I like being busy all the time. So
you are back to back इतनी सारी चीजें आ रही हैं. Touch wood. तो कोटा फैक्ट्री के बारे में बात किया जाए, people are loving शिवांगी. They are, मतलब वो एक relatable character लग रहा है उनको. तो I want to ask you, how much can एहसास relate to शिवांगी?
I like to be the most positive one in every room. Like even if something is going wrong, I will be the one. Ki we'll figure this out. हम कर लेंगे. So the optimistic one, I'm always the one.
Yeah.
So and Shivangi is also that.
Yeah.
So that's the only thing I relate to when it comes to Shivangi. Otherwise, I feel Shivangi is the coolest person I've ever like. In my world,
yeah,
Shivangi is the only one who's like the most cool, the most badass, and I'm not. So whenever I get to play her, I'm very excited because I get to play something that I'm not. I get to become this very badass chick, which only Shivangi is. So.
Wow, badass full. तो शिवांगी जैसा जो कैरेक्टर है, it's very different from what you know. But एक चीज आपकी common है, you play a lot of characters जिसमें आप student हो. College student, school student. So, did you ever felt कि you have to, explore more and?
I'm starting to feel that now.
Yeah.
Because I've been, like for jitna bhi grateful I am for whatever I've done, I also want to do different kinds of things. And so now the plan is to explore different genres and do a little more mature roles.
We love you in that. You know, like vibe you give that vibe of student wali. People can actually relate to you. College girls ho, school girls ho, they can relate to you. एक वो नहीं familiar face बन गया है, तो people and especially girls relate to you more.
Thank you so much.
I want to know one BTS, one memory you will always take from the sets of Kota Factory.
Just in general, I like the friends that I've made on this set, on this project. They're one of my closest friends. Like Revti, Mayur, Alam are very very close to me in real life also. Achha. So these three people I dearly love. तो फिर मतलब उनके साथ जो भी होता है, और फिर मैं जब मतलब सीजन 3 के दौरान ही अगर मेरा एक दिन शूट नहीं होता था तो मैं पूरा दिन वेट करती थी होटल में कि कब आएंगे, घर आके मुझे एंटरटेन करेंगे, शूट भी करेंगे, पैसा भी कमा के आएंगे, तो मुझे भी एंटरटेन करेंगे, तो ऐसा पूरा दिन मैं वेट करती थी उनका. एंड वी यूज्ड टू हैंग आउट सो मच. मैंने और एपी ने तो इतने मजे किए हैं. हमने रूम में बैठ के हमने यूट्यूब वीडियोस बनाई है, हमने गेम्स खेले, हम इतना ऑर्डर करते थे खाना. तो हमारा तो फुल पेड वेकेशन चलता था. तो
वाह, मतलब साथ शूट के साथ साथ फन भी था पूरा.
बहुत फन.
वो तो जरूरी है, फन तो जरूरी है.
एंड इट रिफ्लेक्ट्स इन योर परफॉर्मेंस आल्सो. यू आर हैप्पी, यू आर कंफर्टेबल विद योर स्टार, विद योर कास्ट. यू आर ऑलवेज वेरी हैप्पी. ऑफ कोर्स, वो कंफर्टनेस आ जाता है एंड इट्स वेरी इजी टू शूट विद देम. Very easy to shoot. And luckily with all the projects that I've been a part of, it's always been an ensemble cast and all my co-actors are nice. Like I've never come across a bad person. Maybe it's you who vibes with them. Okay. है ना? I'd like to. Okay, let's believe that.
नहीं, सामने ऐसे वो वाइब मैच करने के लिए सामने वाला इंसान भी वैसा होना चाहिए.
हाँ, I think really वो ही है ना कि वो, हाँ मतलब वो luckily बहुत वाइब्स काफी मैच हो जाती है हर किसी के साथ. तो काफी सबरे मेरे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं.
Lovely. Tell me about Half CA. Second season aa raha hai. I want to know what's new in that.
मतलब I tell you, so the entire CA course has lots of layers.
Of course.
So I feel like even if we make like 5-6 seasons, we won't be able to cover all the layers of this course. So second season is more about articleship. We see Archie struggling with articleship, with her job and studying for her exams, and then वो भी pressure लेना, तो वो सारा चीज़ें, and how she struggles with maintaining her relationships, her friendships and stuff like that. So that's going to be very interesting. There are different characters also that are being introduced this time, which I'm actually very looking forward to. So
We are too.
yeah, so there are new characters this time that are introduced. तो मजा आएगा.
सीए की पढ़ाई बहुत मुश्किल है और इन जनरल पढ़ाई ही बहुत मुश्किल है हर चीज़ की. तो आई वांट टू आस्क, हैव यू बीन अ बैक बेंचर और थोड़ी ऐसे पढ़ाई वाली इंसान?
I was a middle bencher.
मिडिल बेंचर.
ना ज़्यादा पढ़ाकू ना ज़्यादा शैतान, मैं बीच की थी हमेशा. और I was an average student. Like I wasn't very good at studying, but I was not also very bad. Like I wasn't failing left, right, center.
Yeah.
So I was an average student, and I was okay with that. Like my mom was also okay with that. I was more
Sahi
into
hai.
academic.
Yeah.
More than academic, I was more into extracurricular activities, more dance competitions,
हाँ.
art
Fun
competitions.
चीजें.
Fun चीज़ों में मेरा ज़्यादा ध्यान था. And ठीक है, मतलब studies भी decently कर लेती थी मैं.
सही है ना, बैलेंस था.
Balance.
बैलेंस तो था.
Let's call it that.
या और बैक टू बैक इतनी सारी चीजें आ रही है, मतलब कूटा फैक्ट्री हो गया, हाफ सीए, नाउ मिसमैच्ड सीजन 3.
Yes.
मुझे इनसाइडर बताओ क्या चल रहा था एंड हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस शूटिंग दैट, और हाउ कैन यू रिलेट टू दैट कैरेक्टर एज वेल?
Firstly, though, I was very scared because
Yeah.
when you enter a project or a show that there's already a cast that's so close to each other or very close knit group, and you
Yeah.
enter that, so you feel a little worried कि what if you're not able to gel up with them, what if you are left out. तो मैं हमेशा से वो worried थी because I only knew Taruk
Yeah.
from before, and बाकी सबसे मैं इतना मेरी दोस्ती नहीं थी या मैंने कभी इतनी बात नहीं की थी. But I remember day one, as soon as I entered the room, everybody just made me feel so welcome. It was so nice of them to like not make me feel like I've just entered
Yeah.
this cast. So experience बहुत मजेदार था. और आकर्ष खुराना के आप किसी भी सेट पे जाओ, अभी हम तारुक की बात करें, तारुक ऐसे गया और फिर ऐसे छुप के वापस आ गया,
अयो.
पागल. तो हाँ, मतलब it was fun because Taruk is also a very very good friend. I really love him. तो काफी मजा आया सेट पे.
कोई ऐसा मेमोरी यू विल ऑलवेज टेक विद यू?
From Mismatch?
यस.
All my scenes with Taruk, and you'll find like really, I won't reveal too much, but there's a very nice
कुछ
scene.
थोड़ा सा. I want to know. I'm excited.
What is a kissing scene? Because I'll tell you why it was funny and
Okay.
memorable. Because I was always, because Taruk and I are such good friends from
Yeah.
before, and doing this with your very close friend, it's very funny.
Of
It's
course,
just
of course.
it's so awkward कि अब मतलब before we were also preparing for it, and it's like we both are holding our heads and like अब कैसे करेंगे ये, but बहुत easily हो गया. I think इसलिए भी easily हो गया
हाँ.
क्योंकि हम दोस्त थे तो वो comfort level था.
एक्चुअली बट फनी होगा काफी. आई कैन इमेजिन इट इन माय हेड कि क्या सीन चल रहा होगा वहाँ पे.
You get to see it all.
अब मुझे ये देखना है.
We'll find another reason. We already have lots of reason to watch this.
अब वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर यू. इतनी सारी चीजों के बाद व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट फॉर एहसास? व्हाट आर यू प्लानिंग?
I am planning to develop some new skills.
Okay.
Like I've been wanting to learn the guitar and music for the longest time, so
Wow.
I think I will try that out. And Taruk, for that matter, has really encouraged me to do so because he's like, you should know how to play an instrument.
यस.
Do that, work on myself, develop more skills, like learn how to drive, learn how to horse ride, skate, all of these things. So वो सब करूँगी, and like releases तो होता ही है.
हाँ.
Crack another project, give auditions, do meetings. all of
Yeah.
that.
Lovely. We are excited for you. It was a lovely conversation. Thank you so
Thank
much, and all the best for all your projects.
Thank you so much.